Here is how to share large files using Google Drive. Gmail limits attachments to 25 MB, so use Drive instead. Go to Gmail and then tap on Compose in the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on Attach Files option. And a message will appear that attachments larger than 25 MB will be automatically uploaded to Google Drive, and a download link will be included in your emails. Tap on OK, got it. Wait for the upload to finish and add a recipient and subject, and then send. A pop-up will ask about access. Choose to share with the recipient or anyone with the link, but not the bottom option, and the recipient will receive an email with the link to the drive. They can watch or download it using the button in the top right. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.